Hello, welcome to this easy billing tutorial. We're going to explore the template feature, which can save you time and streamline your document preparation. Template feature lets you save document information for quick reuse. If you frequently create similar documents, like monthly invoices, this feature is ideal. With templates, you can store essential details such as customer, item information, pricing, photo and PDF attachments. This eliminates the need to re-enter information and save your valuable time. To access your template list, simply click on the template icon located on the left-hand side of the main screen. This list lets you manage your templates, making them easily accessible when preparing your documents. Creating a template is straightforward. Click the New Template button and select the document type you want. In the template window, the first tab will display the details you need to fill out. Be sure to give your template a name for easy reference later. You can also set a validity period for the template or choose the Never Expire option. The AutoCreate feature is another fantastic aspect of templates. This allows for automatic document generation on a schedule, whether weekly or monthly. You can specify the exact day of the month or the day of the week for document creation, and EasyBilling will handle the rest based on your template configurations. The other tabs in the template window are similar to what you see when preparing a standard document. Let's fast forward through this process. You can specify details such as payment terms, shipping information, customer information, line items, and add photo and PDF attachments. However, please note that you cannot set the document date and number in the template. These will be assigned when you prepare the document. Once the template is ready, click Save button to save your template. When preparing a document, if you want to load from a template, click the button at the top of the screen. A window will pop up, and you should see the Template button on the left. Clicking the Template button will display a list of all available templates that match the document type. You can select a template and load it into your document. All the information in the template will be loaded into the document. This makes your document preparation much easier. By following these steps, you can efficiently use template to improve your document preparation. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of the template feature in EasyBilling.